What is going on, you guys? Tutorial Tim here today, and I'm going to show you a quick tip and trick here which pertains to layer renaming. Basically just utilizing some shortcut keys to save yourself some time. So basically I'm going to go over a couple of ways to rename your layers and show you what is the quickest way essentially. So let's get started. So generally someone will double click and change a layer name, and that's fairly slow. And of course once you're in the layers panel, you can of course tab to your layer that you want to rename here, and then you hit enter and you're good to go. But maybe you want to rename your layers very quick. You can hit Command R, rename it, renaming first layer here, and then hit tab again, rename another layer, and you can just keep tabbing to rename stuff, and blah. And you can just continue to rename and rename and rename. And of course, this is just a tip and trick to kind of optimize your workflow. Of course, there are Figma plugins built for this kind of stuff to do batch renaming, but this is a tip and trick of the day. And yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.